Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be comparing Bubble.io and FlutterFlow. So if you don't know what these two are, let's start with the FlutterFlow. So FlutterFlow is a low-code platform built on top of Flutter, designed primarily for creating cross-platform mobile apps, which are iOS and Android. It offers drag-and-drop interface, allowing users to visually design apps, integrate with Firebase, and export to generate Flutter code for further customization. Now we head on over to Bubble.io here. Bubble.io is a no-code platform for building web applications. It provides an intuitive drag-and-drop interface for creating dynamic web apps with advanced logic, database management, and workflows without needing to write any code. Bubble also offers integration with third-party apps and a marketplace for plugins. So let's go over each of their pros and cons, starting with FlutterFlow. So the pros of FlutterFlow is that it is built on Flutter, which generates Flutter-based code, allowing you to export and further customize the app. It is also focused on mobile apps, primarily designed for building cross-platform mobile apps like iOS and Android. It has custom code integration, which adds custom Flutter code to enhance the app's functionality, and seamlessly integrates the Firebase for back-end services like authentication and databases, and has visual design interface, which is the drag-and-drop UI, which simplifies the design process. Now we get to the cons, which is the limited web support. So it is not as strong for building web applications, which are better suited for mobile apps. The learning curve for custom code requires knowledge of Flutter and Dart if you want to add complex customizations. Now let's head on over to Bubble.io. Now Bubble.io, the pros for it is that it has fully no code, which allows you to build powerful web apps without writing any code, which is focused on web apps best suited for creating dynamic, feature-rich web applications. It also has advanced database features, includes a built-in database and powerful workflows for dynamic content management. It also has customizable UI and logic, which offers a great flexibility in designing UIs and defining app logic, and has extensive plugin marketplace, which offers integrations with third-party services via plugins. Now we get to the cons, which is that Bubble.io has no native mobile support. Primarily a web app builder, mobile responsiveness is available, but it's not ideal for building native apps. Performance issues can face performance challenges with more complex or larger applications, and also a learning curve. While it is a no-code platform, mastering the workflows and app logic might require some time. So which one is right for you? So choose FlutterFlow if you're focused on building mobile apps and want the flexibility to export Flutter code for customization. It's ideal if you're a developer or want to create apps with a mobile-first approach. And choose Bubble.io if you're developing a web application and prefer a no-code approach with advanced features like dynamic databases and workflows. It's perfect for creating scalable web apps without writing your code. And that is it. That is their difference. So choose this one for mobile and choose this one, Bubble.io, for web apps. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.